Are you taking the video already?
Yep.
Hi. I'm Janna.
Oh, sorry. Love you.
Yeah.
Alright, let's stand up. Dang, Armand, you're eating all of that?
When I eat. Where do you go? Why aren't you eating? Neither way, I'm just gonna steal your food, so it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna burn it. Exactly. See, saving money. What? Yeah. Thank you. Wait, so? No. I have it. Yeah. Wait, so?
Let me do this with my hand right in front of
I like your haircut.
Oh my hair should be so long.
How many times did I cross it?
They're putting salt in yours? Ooh. It's color salt. Ew.
You got one of those things, you know what they're called?
You know what?
Those little rock things. Those salt stone thingy majiggle. What are those called?
What?
You know that?
Salt shaker?
You know that little thing that you get when you eat too much salt? It's like a little like ball and it comes out through your private area.
The what?
Okay. It hurts like really bad too. My dad couldn't take me to school because he got one. It was sad. Yeah, he was like in pain. And I was just like, oh! And he like rolled off the couch.
Ew.
It was funny.
Did you find her? What she said?
No!
She's sick?
Who's sick?
Are we still
Who?
having well?
I know.
She sounded fine though.
Who? Who?
Look what I got.
I was gonna get. I'm getting home. I don't even want to eat this anymore. BIB.
She's not gonna eat it. I'll eat it. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Ryu. Say hi. Okay. We are eating food. She's eating my food. Wait, I want to buy I want rice. Say bye. 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 Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Okay.